With the news about the war in the Middle East changing every day, I find that most investors right now are making one mistake, and it's quietly killing their returns. It's not stock picking, it's not timing, it's something much simpler, right? It's they're overreacting to every piece of news, you know, that they see on Twitter or whatever. They react to changes in interest rates, geopolitics, AI hype, oil prices, elections, constantly adjusting their portfolio. You have to keep in mind every time you react, you're basically saying, I know more than the market. The thing is, nobody knows more than the market. You probably don't. Nobody consistently does either. The market, you have to keep in mind, the market already prices in most information faster than you can act. And that's something that people, even if they know, they tend to forget, right? So when you make frequent changes to your portfolio, what you're going to end up seeing is higher taxes, more fees, and worse timing, right? And ironically, lower returns as well. So what do? Instead of doing that, this is what I'd recommend you do. You pick an allocation of stocks, bonds, cash, whatever, right? You build that portfolio. Then you rebalance it on a more reasonable time frame, like every quarter or every twice a year, and then choose to ignore all the noise unless you see that fundamentals have changed, right? If the thing is, if your thesis has not changed, your portfolio should not change either, right? So you have to keep in mind the best investors are not the smartest. They're just the people that are more consistent. Happy investing. Bye now.